In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up and use Google and YouTube apps on Shopify. To begin, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside your store admin, go to the settings area so you can access the tools and connections available for your shop. From there, look to the left sidebar and click on Apps. This is where you can manage installed apps and add new ones to expand what your Shopify store can do. Next, open the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Google and YouTube. When the app appears in the results, click on it to open the app page. Take a moment to confirm that you are selecting the correct app, since this is the official connection that helps link your Shopify store with Google services and YouTube features. Now click Install. Shopify will then show you a permissions page. This page explains what the app will be able to access in your store. Review that information, then click Install App to confirm. After that, give it a moment to load. Depending on your connection and store setup, this part may take a little time, so do not worry if the next page does not appear instantly. Once the installation is complete, return to your Shopify sidebar and open the Google and YouTube app. This is the main area where you will connect your account and manage the integration. When the app opens, click Connect Account to begin linking Shopify with your Google account. At this point, Google will ask you to choose the account you want to use. Select the correct Google account for your business or store setup. After that, Google will show a permission screen. This is where you grant Shopify access so the app can work properly with your Google services. Read through the access request, then approve it to continue. After permission is granted, the connection between Shopify and Google will be established. This setup is important because it allows your store to work with Google and YouTube features directly through Shopify. As you go through each screen, make sure you are signed into the correct accounts to avoid setup issues later. Take your time during the connection process and let each page fully load before moving forward. That will help keep the setup smooth and prevent common mistakes. That covers everything you need to know.